students, we have learned about the meaning of integers in the first chapter, integers, right? And understood the some properties of integers. Now we move to the exercise number 1.1, right? First question, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular डे ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर डे मीन्स किसी एक दिन जब अलग अलग प्लेसेस में डिफरेंट प्लेसेस में वहां का टेम्परेचर सेल्सियस में क्या रहेगा वो हम देखेंगे. सी ऑन द नंबर लाइन -10, -5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. On the right side positive integers are given, on the left side negative integers are given, and in the middle 0 is given, right? First, Lahore Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore. Different places are given. Lahore Spiti, श्रीनगर, शिमला और ऊटी और बेंगलुरु दिया हुआ है. जो कुछ प्लेसेस है जो बहुत कोल्ड होते हैं, जहाँ पे बहुत ठंडा एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, बहुत कोल्ड होता है, और जहाँ पे कुछ प्लेसेस ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे एटमॉस्फेयर है जो उसकी डिग्री हाई रहती है. अब एटमॉस्फेयर कैसे देखा जाता है, जैसे इफ वी लुक एट द नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स, एटमॉस्फेयर इज शोन इन द नेगेटिव एंड negative coldest atmosphere is shown in the negative integers, and if the temperature is high, it is considered as the hottest temperature, right? A, observe the number line and write the temperatures of the places marked on it. We have observed the number line and places and marked on it. Now you can see Lahore Spiti, here 10, -10 is given, then -9 and -8. Lahore Spiti's temperature is -8 degree Celsius. So we have got the Lahore Spiti's temperature. It is the coldest place. Then move towards the right. -7, -6, -5, -4, -3 and -2. Here we have got the temperature of Srinagar. So temperature of the Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius. Move towards the right. -1, 0. Then we will after 0 we will get the positive integers. Means after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On 5, what is given? Shimla. So we have seen that Shimla has 5 degrees Celsius temperature, right? Move towards the right onwards. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. On 14, it is positive integer 14. On 14, which place is shown? Ooty. So we can see that Ooty has 14 degrees Celsius temperature. Now the last one we will see 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Means Bengaluru has the temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Now student, you have seen that the negative integer shows the coldest place and positive integer shows, means the high temperature shows high number shows high temperature and low number shows negative integers, right? Hello students, we have understood the chapter number 1, integers, exercise number 1.1, question number 1. We have done A and B, and now we will move towards the C. What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? As we have seen the different places on the number line. What we have to find out? We have to find out the temperature difference of Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. Solution: the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar that is minus 2 degree Celsius minus 8 degree Celsius. Minus 2 degree Celsius minus plus 8 degree Celsius. So answer will be 6 degree Celsius, right? Here the integer 8 is big and its sign is positive, means plus. So answer will be in plus. Now B. Can we say temperatures of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Means what here it is said that हम अगर दोनों का श्रीनगर और शिमला दोनों का टेम्परेचर साथ में लेते हैं टेकन टुगेदर, उसका हमें कंपेरिजन करना है टेम्परेचर जो शिमला में है उसके साथ. सी द सॉल्वर. इज इट आल्सो लेस देन द टेम्परेचर एट श्रीनगर, और उसका हमें कंपेरिजन बाद में जो श्रीनगर है उसके टेम्परेचर से भी करना है. मूव टुवर्ड्स द सॉल्यूशन. टेम्परेचर एट श्रीनगर एंड शिमला टेकन टुगेदर इज, मतलब श्रीनगर और शिमला का हम टेम्परेचर पहले साथ में लेते हैं, मीन्स वी विल एड इट, राइट. minus 2 degree Celsius plus 5 degree Celsius. The answer will be plus minus minus, so 3 degree Celsius, because 5 is big integer and its sign is positive, so answer will be in positive. The temperature at Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. Now we have the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together and alone Shimla's temperature, right? So we will compare the both temperatures. 3 degree Celsius means Srinagar and Shimla's temperature, and 5 degree Celsius is Shimla's temperature. So what we can say, so the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than 3 is less than 5. So both the city's temperature is less than the temperature of Shimla. As we have seen before, temperature at Srinagar and Shimla is 3 degrees Celsius, and we are now comparing the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla with the temperature at Srinagar. So temperature at Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature at Srinagar and Shimla is 3 degrees Celsius greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius, that is Srinagar, means the both cities temperature is greater than the temperature of Srinagar. So the temperature at Srinagar and Shimla taken together, मतलब हमने जो श्रीनगर और शिमला का जो दोनों का टेम्परेचर साथ में लिया था वो हमारा 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस आया था, उसका टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा है किससे? द टेम्परेचर एट श्रीनगर.